Like, you know when you're creating something and then you end up getting it and it doesn't taste like what you thought? Can't relate, because this is exactly what I wanted. I'm gonna make a grilled cheese with tomato soup. Watch my other videos, please. Wow, hello there. I just came back from my trip, so I had no food, no groceries, and I'm like, I want a grilled cheese sandwich. So I was gonna order grilled cheese with tomato soup, the best combination. But then Future Melody was like, that's gonna be such a waste of money. Why don't you just make it yourself? So I decided to buy groceries and make it myself. So my order just came in. Let me give you guys a grocery haul. Nuts, gum, mushroom pasta thing, taco seasoning, water, oatmeal, lemons, spinach, 5 bananas. These are not going to be ripe for the next week. Tomato soup, because I don't know how to cook tomato soup. Yeah. And because I was craving tomato soup. Carrots, apples, tomatoes, avocados, kiwis. Why is there a scooper in there? Weird. Oh my gosh, did I order 2? Oh no, this one is spinach. The other one was mushroom. Peanut butter, raisins. No freaking way, bro. I got minced onion and onion powder. I was supposed to remove one from the cart. I was not supposed to get the minced garlic. Minced onion. Well, now I have 2. That's so freaking weird. I literally deleted it off of it, but okay. Black pepper. Wow. I'm tripping. Blackberries. Bell peppers. Bread. Cheese that I thought was gonna be orange. Why is cheddar cheese white? America. I'm scared. Should I even consume this? This is why I don't buy cheese. This is why I don't eat cheese, because why the heck? Anyway, let's make me a grilled cheese sandwich and tomato soup, because I'm craving that. It would have been $26 if I ordered it from the food delivery. So I was like, I'm gonna be smart with my money and I'm gonna make it myself. So now look, I have a whole thing of groceries, a whole thing of bread, so I could make grilled cheese every day. And I sure did make grilled cheese every day that week. Be smart with your money. It goes a long way. Melody was talking to herself at this point. Let's make some grilled cheese. Shout out to my parents for the groceries. Yo, someone's gonna clown me because why did I buy a container of tomato soup instead of making it? Send me the recipe and then I'll make tomato soup. But at this point, at this current moment in my life, and I have freaking tomatoes. Go the easy route. My chapati video did pretty well. It's the most viewed video of this year. Y'all like when I cook? Because I don't know how to cook, but okay. This is the bread I use because I'm gullible and I think this is healthier than the regular white bread. I don't have a toaster. I would have used a toaster if I had one, but I totally forgot I was making grilled cheese. I'm like, what am I doing with bread on the pan? Tomato soup over here. I don't know if you're supposed to cook it on the stove, but I'm gonna just put it on there. Let me read the instruction. Microwave. Well, I'm not gonna microwave it. I'm gonna just heat it up on the pan. That's a lot of sauce. Probably should have just done half of it. Oh my gosh, my bread is burning. Oh my gosh. Oops. It's okay. Let me turn on the tomato soup. Oh dang, that's really burnt. Okay. I need cheese. Like, why is my cheddar cheese white, bro? This is actually so concerning. This is cheddar cheese? Since when? Future Melody here. There is in fact white cheddar. That's probably what I had. Right. Okay. Y'all, if I post this, just know I'm having a midlife crisis because there's no way I don't know how to make freaking grilled cheese. That's why like money solves problems, because if you can't cook, just pay someone to. The cheese isn't even coming out. What is going on? Oh, child. What is this?
Oh my god, what is that?
Alright, it was bubbling, so I'm done with that. And pour it in. Oh wow, it's not cheesy at all. What the f— okay, well I was gonna pay $26 for this. Save your money and just make your food at home. Tomato soup, you guys. I need to figure out a different way to do tomatoes. Of course it would fall. Alright, y'all not gonna know what this is. Let's try it. The tomato soup was not made by me, it was heated up by me. Oh my gosh, exactly what I needed. It's so good. Now let's try the grilled cheese that I'm kind of questioning, because why is the cheddar white? Why is the cheese not melted and not orange? And what you're supposed to do, or what I think you're supposed to do, what I do, is dip it in the tomato sauce. Before we proceed, here's me a few days later when I make it the proper way, where the cheese is actually melted. Y'all thought I was playing? It is 11 a.m. and I'm making another grilled cheese. I made me a tomato soup. Anyway, you just want me to make you some grilled cheese. That's why you're acting like this. I'm gonna be eating grilled cheese for breakfast because that's how much I've been craving it. I know the other cheese it's not melting in the way that cheese is supposed to melt. Is that better? Way better. Cheesy. I'm trying to do this with one hand, but there you go. Period. If you want the recipe, I made a video on it. I'll post it on YouTube so you can watch how I made grilled cheese. One thing about me, when I want something, I'm gonna get it. When I'm craving something, I'm gonna get it.
A few moments later.
That's what my body's feeling like right now. I'm feeling nauseous after eating my tomato soup and grilled cheese. Should I be concerned? Like, should I go to the doctor regarding that? Because when I ate it last time, I felt the same way. And it's not like while I'm eating it, it's like after. Like right now, I'm feeling really... But it was so good. It was so good.
Now, let's get back to the show.
Y'all, when I tell you, I woke up and I was like, I want a grilled cheese sandwich with tomato soup. Shout out to whoever made the tomato soup. I love me any type of soup. Oh shoot, I don't have my necklace. My necklace isn't on me because I had a casting today. And they don't let us wear jewelry. But it's still, I'm still, you know, child of God. But oh my gosh. Like, you know when you're craving something and then you end up getting it and it doesn't taste like what you thought? Can't relate, because this is exactly what I wanted. This is exactly what I was hoping for. I'm sounding like a big back right now, but this is so good. I wish I knew how to make tomato soup like this. So good. It probably has so much sugar and other preservatives that I shouldn't be consuming, but it's okay. I'm such a simple girl. If grilled cheese and tomato soup makes me so happy, it's like, come on. That means these men out here are not doing enough. I've been waiting for this all day. That was good. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and clown me down below. I'm satisfied, honestly. Even though I didn't really cook. I'm not Nara Smith. I can't make bread from scratch. Or tomato soup from scratch, but it's okay. Comment below what you guys want to see me cook next time. Oh my gosh, you guys, like this video. And comment, please, so I can get more views. Now I'm feeling nauseous. I wonder why, Melody. This is why I don't eat freaking cheese, bro. Why does my body do this? Like, I just want to eat and enjoy, and then once I enjoy, my body's like, okay, Melody, time for you to feel sick. Watch my other videos. Watch my other videos, please. Have a good one.